A national spike in COVID cases. More than 36 states are trying to gain control of a new surge. One of those states is Florida, and the Delta variant is a main cause of concern. Good evening. This is leading to hospitals across Florida and Jacksonville in particular filling up with COVID-19 patients.
Case numbers jumping at rates we haven't seen in months. News4JAX reporter Marilyn Parker joins us live. Marilyn, what do doctors say are contributing to this increase in cases?
So, Scott, looking at those in the hospital, we're told majority of them are not vaccinated. Doctors say this is contributing to the spread, but it's also been a challenge following these hospitalizations because state officials stopped reporting detailed data. COVID-19.
Seems to me that the ship has kind of sailed.
To some, it may be gone, but others say
I don't think it's going anywhere for a while.
In Jacksonville and across Florida, cases of the virus and hospitalizations are rising. One Jacksonville hospital told News4JAX they had a 28% increase in COVID-19 hospitalizations over the course of last week. Today on This Week in Jacksonville, we heard from Dr. Sunil Joshi of the Duval County Medical Society Foundation about what could lie ahead.
So there is a concern that we might start to go backwards if we don't see these numbers start to come down. Again, we have to be concerned about hospitalizations here in Northeast Florida because the hospitalization numbers are going up, and we have to do whatever we can to mitigate those numbers.
State officials say right now in Florida, 3,200 people are in the hospital with COVID. That's a 73% increase since June 14th. Earlier in the pandemic, state officials posted a dashboard tracking the number of COVID-19 hospitalizations and available hospital beds. Last month, the state stopped publishing the data because hospitalizations were falling. Over the last week, with the rise of hospitalizations in Jacksonville, News4JAX asked state officials if they'll publish this information again, but they haven't answered. For some, seeing the data won't change their response to the increase in cases.
I know it's real, I know it's out there, but I'm personally not worried about it. I'm pretty healthy. People do need to be careful, but I just think it's being over-exaggerated.
Tonight on News4JAX at 11, we'll talk more about those vaccination rates and hear from folks who don't have COVID about what they're experiencing at area hospitals. We're live in Jacksonville tonight. Marilyn Parker, Channel 4, the local station.